But, I mean, it'll serve its purpose.
Are you videoing yet?
Yes, I'm videoing.
Fucking drop that shit in there. Drop it! Oh.
I wish I had a better camera.
Shit. Are you videoing?
Yeah, I'm videoing.
How long can you video for?
For like 3 minutes.
30 fucking minutes. The bitch is like, it's even gonna blow up.
Shit, you gotta watch out for any metal.
I'll just like cover my face or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll put my hood up.
Yeah, Sam won't jump over the fucking fire. Jump over the fucking fire, son! I fell.
Come on, this thing's gotta blow up soon.
Keep fucking doing it till it blows up. Blow the fuck up, son. Where the fuck did that came out?
Somebody's gotta like hit it.
Oh shit!
Shit! God, don't take that, God. That! The fire's still going. The fire is still bitching.
Dude, hold on.
No, don't smother it, don't smother it. Don't smother it. Don't.
Hold up.
Don't smother it.
Hold up. I just got fucking hit with a piece of metal.
Really? Where?
Seriously, I haven't looked at pictures.
Joe, where? Joe.
Joe. Joe. Continue.
Yo, Joe.
Yo, wake him up.
Yo, Joe. Joe, I'm serious. Get the fuck up.
Get some water. Go get some Pepsi. Get the Pepsi.
Joe.
Trying to warm
Joe.
up right here.
Joe, kick.
Nah, dog, I'm just fucking with you.
Oh, I was about to say. God damn.